Okay, we will start from chapter number 2, GCD and LCM. We will start from chapter number 2. And the topic that we will read first is prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. Okay, students. Do you know what are prime and composite numbers? And do you know what do you mean by numbers? Number means any number starting from 1 till 100, 1000, 10,000, million, billion, trillion. Okay, starting from must. So what you have to do, you have to decide whether the given number is a prime or composite. For that, you should know the definition of prime and composite number. Okay, so prime numbers. What are prime numbers? It is a number, okay? It is a number, any number whose divisor form a set of only two members. If a divisors of set of divisors have only two members, then a given number will become a prime number. So first of all, you should know what does this divisor mean. So divisor means a number. Divisor means it is a number by which another number is to be divided. Look at here. Just suppose you have 4 here and you have to write 2 here. So 2 into 2 is 4 and you will get no remainder here. So this 2 will become your divisor. This 2 is the quotient and 4 is your dividend. This is quotient. So when you will divide the given number by any number, this number will become the divisor. You divide 4 by 2, that's why 2 is the divisor. So any number that has only 2 divisor, that number is called a prime number. Okay. Now example is 5. So 5 can be divided by two numbers, 1 and itself. 5 can be divided by only two numbers, 1 and itself. That's why 1 and 5 are the divisors of number 5. Okay, 1 and itself. If you want to divide 5 by 2, okay, if you want to divide 5 by 2, what you will get, 2 into 2 is 4 here, and you will get, after subtracting, you will get here 1 remainder. So if you get remainder, that's mean this is not the divisor of your given number. For that, you have to completely divide the given number. So 5 can be completely divided by 1 and 5. That's why 1 and 5 are the divisors of number 5. So 5 is a prime number. 5 will become a prime number. Okay, students? Now, let's take some other examples. Okay, now students, I want all your participation here. Okay, I want your participation here. You have to write the answers in the chat box. Here you have two number, 7 and 11. Can you tell me 7 can be divided by how many numbers? Write in the chat box. Class, please write it down in the chat box, the divisors of 7. 7 can be divided by how many numbers? Please. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, 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 okay. 7 can be divided by 2. Beta, 7 can be divided by 2. Sayyida Iman, Ariba, Arisha. Can you then? Okay, Jawad, why you are not hearing? Please make sure your internet connection is proper. Okay, very good. All of you are giving the right answer. Most of you are giving the right answer. Okay, now tell me about 11. Now tell me about 11. Tell me about 11. 11 can be divided by how many numbers? Please turn off your video voice. Turn off your mic. Okay, very good. All of you are doing right. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, stop chat writing. So 7 can be divided and 11 can be divided by only two number, that is 1 and itself. Same as 11, 1 and itself. That's why the set of divisors of 7. First of all, you will write, how will you write it? Set of divisors of 7 is equal to 1 comma 7. 1 and 7 are the divisors of 7 and separated by the help of comma, and you will place the bracket over here, then it means it will become a set. Okay, curly bracket, only use the curly bracket, no round bracket, no square bracket. Okay students, please turn off your mic. Kindly turn off your mic. Okay, next is the set of divisors of 11, that is 1 and 11. So 7 and 11 are prime numbers because they have only two divisors. Why they are prime numbers? Because they have only two divisors, that is 1 and itself. Students, please keep in your mind that you have to write these divisors in the form of set. Okay, in the form of set, how will you write it? Set of divisors of 7 is equals to curly bracket open, then your divisors number 1, and then divisors 7, separate them by comma, and then curly bracket close. So this form will called as a set. It is called a set. And what type of set? Set of divisors of 7. So 7 and 11 are prime numbers because they have only two divisors. Okay, now what about the numbers that have more than two divisors? Okay, we were previously talking about the number that have only two divisors, but if a number have more than two divisors, then what you will do? Okay, what you will do, students? Students, what you will do if you have more than two divisors? Okay, composite numbers. Composite number means it is a number whose divisors form a set of more than two members. Means if you have a divisors that are more than two, then the number will become composite number. Okay. If any number has more than two divisors, then it means it is a composite number. Very good. All of you are doing well. Very good. Okay. Now let's take an example. Here you have 4. Students, please write in the chat box 4 can be divided by how many numbers and what are the divisors of 4? Write in the chat box. 4 can be divided by how many numbers? Very good, very good. All of you are doing well. Rafe, Mir, Abban, Sana, Hafiz, 1 and 2 only. Naima Khan, why? Naima, why 3? Why 3, bete? 4 cannot be divided by 3. Okay, so 4 can be divided by only these number 1, 2 and 4. You cannot divide 4 by 3. Why? Look at here. Why not? Because if you want to divide 4 by 3, 3 into 1 is 3 and you will get the remainder here after subtracting. So if you get the remainder means this is not the correct divisor. So your number 4 has only 3 divisors. Yani ki set of divisors of 4 is equals to curly bracket open 1 comma next number is 2 comma next number is 4 curly bracket close. Okay. So 4 is a composite number. Why 4 is a composite number? Because it has more than 2 divisors. Understand? Okay. Okay, students, now please be attentive. What about 1? What about 1? Class, can you tell me 1 is a prime number or a composite number? 1 is a prime number or a composite number? Okay, so here is the answer. 1 is neither prime nor composite because 1 has only one divisor. 1 has only one divisor. That's why it is neither prime nor composite. Very good. All of you are doing well. Now, okay, class, please stop chatting. Now, look at this picture very carefully. Okay. If you don't have your book, then it's okay. I'm not asking for the book right now, but you should have some sort of copy for you to solve the question. Okay. Now look at this page. This is the page number 21 from your book, chapter number 2, GCD and LCM. Okay, this is chapter number 2, GCD and LCM. Here are the definition of prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, here is the definition of prime number. Here is the definition of composite number. You can learn the definition from here. Now, here is exercise number 2.1. Okay, this is your exercise 2.1. Now, listen to me very carefully. 2.1 means 2. 2 means your chapter number 2. Okay, this 2 represent your chapter number 2 and 1 means exercise number 1. So, exercise 2.1 means chapter number 2, exercise number 1. Okay, in 2.1 you have question number 1, find the set of divisors. What you have to do, you have to find out the set of divisors of each of the following numbers and state whether each of them is a prime number or a composite number. What you have to do, first of all, you have to make the set of divisor. Okay, question number 1, bit number 2. Here is question number 1, bit number 2, 12. What you have to do first, you have to make the set of divisors of 12. So how will you make it? Set of divisors of 12 means is equal to curly bracket open. Here you will write all the numbers that can divide your given number 12. So 12 can be divided by 1, comma. It can be divided by 2, comma. It can be divided by 3. 3 into 4 is 12. It can be divided by 4. Okay, it can be divided by 6 and it can also be divided by 12. So here are the divisors of 12. Since 12 has more than 2 divisors, that's why. Okay, students, this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, this meeting will be ended. Okay, so what you will do, you will quickly rejoin this session. Okay, after 2 or 3 minutes, you will quickly rejoin this session. After 10 minutes, this section will be ended and then we will start our next session. Okay, you do not have to go anywhere. Quickly join the next session. I am waiting for you for the next session. But before it, I will solve this question. Okay, since 12 has these divisor, that's why it will become a composite number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the divisors of 12 and it has more than 2 divisors. That's why it is a composite number. Okay, class, here what you have to do. Here, what you have to do, solve example number 9. Write the answer in the chat box. 9, the divisors of 9. Hurry up. Tell me the divisors of 9. This is the example that has to be solved by you. Class, write down in the chat box. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, 1, 3, and 9. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so the set of divisors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. You are doing very well. So it is a composite number. Okay, very good. Now tell me about 22. 22 can be divided by how many numbers? Tell me about 22. Hurry up, class. Tell me about 22. Okay, 1, 11 and 22. Okay, students, if you don't have math copy or book, it's okay. It's okay. Or 22 can be divided by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, Sat Suhail. Okay, very good. All of you are doing well. Rafe, Javeria, Aisha, only 11 and 12. Naima Khan, Ariba. Okay, let's check the answer here. Set of divisors of 22 is equals to 1, 2, 11 and 22. 1, 2, 11 and 22. So it has more than 2 divisors. That's why it becomes a composite number. Okay, it is a composite number. Now tell me the divisors of 53. Class, tell me the divisors of 53 in the chat box. 53, tell me the divisors of 53. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, very good, very good. Now look at here. Set of divisors of 53 is equals to 1 and the number itself, that is 53. So if any number has only two divisors, that is 1 and itself, then the number will become a prime number. Very good. Okay, now solved example 83. Now tell me the divisors of 83. 83. 83. I am waiting for your answer, students. Mahat Kashif, you are right. All of you are right. Nida Fatma, Abdul Rahman, Javeria Babar, you are right. Sana, Hafiz, Anabia, Naima, all of you are right. Okay, 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 students. All of you are right. So here are the set of divisors of 83, that is 1 and 83, and then it will become a prime number. Okay. Now, exercise number 2.1, question number 2. Exercise number 2.1, we are continuing our exercise 2.1. Question number 2. In question number 2, what you have to do, write down all the prime numbers between 20 and 40, 40 and 60, 60 and 80, 80 and 100. Okay. Question number 2, 40 and 60. We will took this question number 2, bit number 2, 40 and 60. What you have to do here, you have to write all the prime numbers that lie between 40 and 60. You have to only pick the prime numbers between 40 and 60. Okay, so here is the answer. Now, starting from 41. 41 can be divided by only two numbers, that is 1 and itself. Similarly, if you will took 42, okay, 42. So if you want to divide it by 2, 2, so 2 into 2 is 4, and then after minusing you will get no 0 here. 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 can be divided, 42 can be divided by 42 as well. That's why we will not write 42 here because it is a composite number. Next is 43. 43 can be divided by only two numbers. Then you have 47, then 53 and 59. Okay. So these are the prime numbers that lie between 40 and 60. So what you have to do in question number 2, you have to write all the prime numbers that lie between the given numbers. Like here between 40 and 60, these are the prime numbers. Okay. Now, write all the composite numbers. What you have to do in question number 3, you have to... Okay, class, time is running out. I'm ending my meeting. I will join you after 3 minutes. Okay. I will join you after 3 minutes.